When you talk about the marketing research, the companies conduct marketing research on regular basis. Marketing research could be in the form of conducting the surveys where the company representatives they meet the customers, they interact with them, they try to analyze the problem, and from the customers they try to extract the solution to the problem. Sometimes the marketing research problem lies within the company, that is, with regard to the requirements of the employees. What are the expectations of the employees from the company? When we talk about the employees in the marketing language, they are considered to be the internal customers, while the ultimate customers or consumers, they are known as the external customers. So employees, they are known as internal customers in the marketing language. Employees, it is the responsibility of the companies to fulfill the expectations and the requirements, wants, needs of the employees. So what do the employees expect from the company? And how the company can meet those expectations more efficiently. So which means that beside retaining the customers of the companies also try their best to retain the talent, the employees and the managers. Companies also they try to retain the best talent which they have right now. So marketing research talks about searching out what are the changes in the perceptions, attitude, behavior of the customers and the employees. Unless and until a company is able to retain its employees, that company shall not be successful in retaining the customers. The longer the stay of an employee in the company, that assures that the customers would have long-lasting relationship with the company. Because a longer stay of the employee in an organization, it shows that employees, they are happy, they are satisfied, they are committed to the organization, and their commitment helps the company to retain the customers. So when we talk about marketing research in a very simple language, it is the process of analyzing, or you can say understanding, what are the changes in the needs, wants, expectations and requirements of the external customers and internal customers, and ultimately providing the solution that is fulfilling the new expectations of these customers. So for this, you should understand what is the process of marketing research. When you try to understand marketing research or even research in general, research starts with identifying a problem. It starts with identifying a problem. This problem, research problem, or in other words, you can say research question, starts with why. It starts with why. And providing an answer to why. So this research process starts with the question of why. Why are we doing this research? And this research process ends with providing a solution to why. It provides a solution to why. Why, when you start with why, a company would, because marketing research investment is huge. So before committing such a huge investment, always the companies, they have to assure and they have to defend What would be the return on the investment? The marketing manager, the general manager, they are responsible, they are accountable for this huge investment. They are answerable to the directors that why they have committed this huge investment. So which means that they have to provide an answer to why. What is the problem? What is the question before you? Why we cannot solve this question within the premises of the organization? Do we not have a solution to this problem? Now, when you would ask that why the perceptions of the people have changed, when the manager would ask why the attitude of the people have changed, why the behavior of the people has changed, nobody would have an answer to it unless they would interact with the customers, unless they would go to the market and they would discuss this problem with the customers. Which means the answer, the solution to this problem lies in the market. Because we are trying to understand the change. We are trying to analyze that why is this change? What comes later on? The answer to what would come later on, but first you have to understand why. Why is this change? Why is this change? Why people they are not buying the products of the company? Why people are not availing the services of your institute, of your company? So why? If the marketing manager, if the general manager, if they are confident about it, that we do not have a solution to the problem why people are not buying the products, why the net sales are dropping down, why net profits are dwindling, why the growth is not happening. If this is the question, why? Which means there has to be a solution, and the solution means that all the steps which are involved in the research, those steps have to be followed. Now, because we are talking about the marketing research, so our focus would be more on fulfilling the changed expectations of the customers, which means the companies, they have to go outside the organization, outside the company premises. They have to meet the customers, they have to interact with them, they have to discuss the problem at length with them, so that they would find that why is this change. And also, it is not that why is this change, what are the changes which are likely to take place in the future as well. So with this why, that why the customers are behaving in this manner, why there is a change in the customer behavior. With this why, a company also intends to know what would be the changes in the future, so that those changes can also be accommodated right now, so that company can think on those lines of fulfilling those changes which are likely to take place in the future. So when the company is clear about the research question, the research problem, and company is confident that we cannot find a solution to this problem within the company premises, that employees and managers, they cannot find a solution to this problem, and we have to interact with the customers, we have to discuss this issue with the customers. Till then, companies do not decide in favor of making huge investments to conduct marketing research.